Okay, I just woke up, but like, I don't know. I'm so used to waking up on like school days at like 5 or 4 in the morning, and it's 5 in the morning right now, and like I woke up, I was like, oh, gotta get ready for school, and then I realized, oh, it's Saturday. No, it's because like the fact that I have to wake up so early, and then I'm just used to waking up so early that like I think that I have to go to school is actually insane. And I'm not really tired because I was playing Go Garden for like, I don't know, like 20 minutes. Yeah, but like